In this video, we're going to find the principal rate or time of a simple interest loan or investment. So there's going to be one of them is going to be unknown, and we'll have to figure out which one it is. Okay, so first of all, let's remind ourselves of what the simple interest formula is. It's I is equal to P times R times T. I represents interval, which is the amount that you start with. R is the rate, and T is the time. All right, let's look at the first one. Shin invested in a savings bond for 4 years. T equals 4. And was paid simple interest at an annual rate of 2%. R is equal to 2%. As a decimal, R is equal to 0.02. The total interest that he earned was $40. Interest is I. So I is equal to $40. How much did he invest? So we're figuring out what P is here. So to set up the equation, we put in the knowns and solve for the unknown. So 40 is equal to P times 0.02 times 4. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is multiply through the 4 times that 0.02. So you get 40 is equal to 0.08 P. Divide the 0.08 on both sides, and you get P is equal to, when you do this division, P is equal to 500. So the amount that was put into the account originally was 500. Okay, number 2, Boris opened a savings account with $200 and was paid, well, let's stop there. Opened a savings account with 200. That's the original amount. P equals $200. And was paid simple interest at an annual rate of 5%. R equals 5%. As a decimal, R equals 0.05. Okay. When Boris closed the account, he was paid $50 in interest. I equals $50. How long was the account open for? Okay, so let's set this thing up. We get 50 equals 200, and we're using this formula still, times 0.05, that's the rate, times T. Okay, let's multiply these through. If you multiply 200 times 0.05, you'll get 10, so 10T, and divide the 10 on both sides. You get T is equal to 5 years. Okay, and let's look at the last one. Maya invested $800 in a fund for 4 years. All right, $800, original amount. 4 years, that's time. It was paid simple interest. The total interest that she received on the investment was $96. That's I equals $96. What was the annual interest rate as a percentage of her investment? Okay, so using that I equals PRT, 96 equals 800 times rate times 4. So that's 9,600. Multiply these two, that's 3,200. R. Divide the 3,200, and you get R is equal to 0.03. As a percent, that's R is equal to 3%. Move the decimal twice.